All right, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Nintendo Switch 2 to your TV. So first things first, make sure you've unpacked and got everything out of the box. You'll see your dock here, which is what I'm showing on the camera here. And on the back of that dock, you'll see a little area where you can get your finger. Go ahead and just use that to kind of remove that back plate. And then go ahead and set that aside. You're going to see two different places where you can put cables in. Well, three, but two that we need. So the first one's going to be the HDMI cable. There's one included. This is going to be what takes the picture from the console and puts it on your TV. So go ahead and take the HDMI cable and just put it right there where it says HDMI out. So go ahead and just plug one side of the HDMI cable into the back of the dock here for your Nintendo Switch 2. Next, we have our power cable, or our AC adapter. It also comes in the box with your Nintendo Switch 2. It is a USB-C connector, as you can see here on screen. And so what you need to do is plug one end of that into a wall outlet to go ahead and get power to your system, and the other end of the USB-C connector into where you see AC adapter. So you have your HDMI and the one in the middle, and then your AC adapter to get power on the top. And then next, you want to go ahead and put this back plating back on. It just looks better. You don't have to. There's a little place, as you can see here, where the cables kind of dangle out of it. Go ahead now and sit that somewhere very close to your TV where the cables can reach. Then go ahead and pick up your Nintendo Switch 2 console. As you can see, there is a little USB-C adapter where you plug it in if you're charging it, using it just in handheld mode. And what you want to do now is you want to flip the Switch around to where you can see the back of your Nintendo Switch 2, where you can see the Switch 2 logo, and then go ahead and place that or insert that, and you'll kind of feel it catch into that little adapter there within the dock. This is docked mode, like this. And the only thing you have to do now is take your HDMI cable, the other end of it, and plug that into any available HDMI port on your television. These are normally on the side or backs of a TV. Plug that in there. Make sure you have the correct input selected via using your remote, and there you go. Your Nintendo Switch is now on your TV, and you are now up and running. If you have any questions, put those down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.